It's a great heat. It's fantastic for inflammation and joint pain, stiffness. It feels like you're standing under the sun. It feels makes you feel fantastic. We are the owners of WellFlex. We are a hot yoga and wellness studio in Bristol. We've both practiced hot yoga all around the world for years. And I had noticed that in South Africa, Cape Town, and in America, they'd started using infrared in studios because of the extra health benefits it gets, the fact that it's really environmentally more efficient, less energy bills. Feedback from clients and from myself is it's nice to know that you're getting the therapeutic benefits of infrared while you practice. It's good for autoimmune conditions, skin health, hair health.
A lot of clients seem to be sleeping better.
Not only is it great heat, the interface is so user-friendly.
It's great, we can control it remotely as well.
You can sit out here, or I can be at home and I can look at the temperature of the class. The service from Herschel has been incredible all the way.